Hey guys, we received this Garvee portable ping pong table for test and try. This is a professional indoor or outdoor table tennis tables or the game with the net for adults, teen or it comes with the two tennis paddles and the three balls. So let's see. So of course this comes in this heavy box and this is a really nice quality as you can see. Very nice color on the top. Let me just take this out. So here is the clips that and the handle, so it's easy to take out anywhere you want. And then this is a solid handle as well, so I'm just opening this. So the hooks are very helpful. You can put all the bats and things inside and you can store it. So here in the opening you can see like the pedals, manual and everything in here. So these are really like stable triangular structure for the legs to be stored. This is a tool free folding joint with the detachable net that I will show you later on, and the weight adjustable anti-slip pad. So you can see like this triangular the base for the legs that is helpful for the sturdy table. So the table is around like 72 inches by 36 inches, and after folding it is 4 inch in the height, 36 to 36. So you can see like the easy assembly here. These are the triangular one that you can just easily lock, and then it will make this stable. So this is a premium aluminium composite board with perfect bounce for the good game, incredibly sturdy and the lightweight like compared to the other tables. And you can see like after the assembly this have like these things with the the triangular thing, so this holds really well. Very straight ball. This is the net that comes with it, and there are the two hooks that goes on the side, and you can just put it or by rotating on the table. So this is a nice design, like you can see that you can easily rotate that and the net will come here, and from the other side as well. Once this will all stretch, this is a really nice net, and I will show you that whole table. So these are the paddles and the balls that comes with it. They are the nice quality and the lightweight as well. You can easily see that. So this is a nice game to play as well with the time being, and there are the little bouncy things, and you can also now see like this is the full assembly, and this is like easy to play. Of course we are not a trained player for the ping pong, but this is a nice thing to have in your basement, and is a good to play thing. The bouncing thing, you can easily see that the ball is really bouncing well, and then there is no problem with the playing thing. So this is a really nice design. This is a compact design because you can easily put it in a closet, and then it's suitable to take anywhere you want. Easy to assemble means like the legs can easily be folded and take this out, and compare lightweight compared to the other ones, with the net and paddle and everything that you can store inside and take anywhere. So very nice tennis table, ping pong table for the kids to play, or the teenagers or the adults to play with the net and paddle and the ball and all assembly. Really nice material, nice legs and the joint easily to fold, and yeah, very nice structure and the quality as well. So hope you like this, and it is good thing to have, and yeah, hopefully this video is helpful or the useful to you, so you can easily see that. So kids love to play, and yeah, very nice ping pong table.